Something unusual is happening with the new Pocket 4 lineup, and it could completely change how people look at compact cameras. At first glance, the standard Pocket 4 and the new Pocket 4 Zoom Edition, also called the Pocket 4P, look almost identical. But the moment you notice the camera module, everything changes. The lower half of both devices looks nearly the same, but the top section tells a very different story. The Pocket 4P features a much larger camera system, and that instantly hints that this is not just a minor upgrade. DJI seems to be pushing this tiny camera into a much more professional direction. Even the interface reveals the difference. On the standard Pocket 4, you mainly see a regular zoom multiplier on the side. But on the Pocket 4P, dedicated 1x and 3x buttons appear at the bottom, making zooming feel faster and more natural. And once you actually test it, the difference becomes obvious. A single tap on the standard model jumps to 2x zoom, while the Pocket 4P instantly reaches 3x with surprisingly strong image quality. That is where things start getting interesting. Usually, compact cameras lose a lot of detail when zooming in. The image becomes soft, shaky, or simply unusable. But the Pocket 4P still looks highly usable at 3x zoom, which is impressive for such a small device. This improvement comes from its dual camera design that combines two prime lenses together. Instead of relying heavily on digital zoom, it creates a more natural optical result with a larger aperture and better light capture. In simple words, it behaves more like a real camera lens setup rather than a basic smartphone-style zoom. The result is something close to carrying a stabilized 24mm to 70mm cinematic lens in your pocket. That sounds almost unreal considering how compact the device is. Portable cameras have always forced users to choose between size and quality, but the Pocket 4P looks like it's trying to remove that compromise completely. And DJI did not stop at the zoom lens. The main camera sensor inside the Pocket 4P has also been upgraded. It now offers wider dynamic range compared to the standard Pocket 4, meaning it should handle bright highlights and dark shadows much better. Low-light performance is also expected to improve significantly, which could make night videos and indoor shooting look cleaner and more professional. What makes this even more exciting is the addition of live photo support. Right now, very few portable devices can combine quick live photo shooting with this level of optical quality. Devices with better image quality are usually larger, slower, and less convenient. Meanwhile, smaller devices often sacrifice lens quality. The Pocket 4P seems to sit right in the middle, balancing both worlds in a way we have not really seen before. The Pocket 4 Pro looks incredibly exciting at first glance. A compact body, upgraded camera system, better zoom quality, improved low-light performance, and cinematic stabilization all packed into something small enough to fit in your pocket. It almost sounds too good to be true. And honestly, that is exactly why many people are starting to ask an important question. What are the actual problems with the Pocket 4 Pro? The first issue is the price. According to current leaks and expectations, the Pocket 4 Pro could launch somewhere between $899 and $1,099. And if you go for the creator combo with accessories like wireless microphones, extra batteries, filters, and larger storage, the total package could easily cross $1,200. That is a huge jump for a Pocket Series device. At that price, many creators may start comparing it with mirrorless cameras or even flagship smartphones that already offer powerful video systems. The Pocket lineup originally became popular because it offered portability and value together, but now the Pro model may be entering a much more premium and competitive category. Another noticeable problem is the new camera design itself. The larger dual camera module improves zoom quality and low-light performance, but it also changes the balance of the device. Older Pocket models felt lightweight and simple, almost effortless to hold for long periods. The Pocket 4 Pro appears more top-heavy because of the bigger camera system sitting above the gimbal. During longer recording sessions, especially for vloggers or travel creators, that imbalance could become uncomfortable. Battery life is another major concern. Powerful hardware always needs more power, and the Pocket 4 Pro seems packed with it. Between the upgraded sensor, telephoto lens, advanced stabilization, and stronger image processing, the battery may drain much faster than previous generations. That could become frustrating for creators who record long outdoor videos, events, or travel content. Carrying power banks and extra batteries everywhere starts to reduce the convenience that makes compact cameras so attractive in the first place. Then comes overheating. This is something many small cameras struggle with once they start pushing higher-end performance. Recording long 4K clips, cinematic footage, or high bitrate video inside such a compact body can generate serious heat. Since the Pocket 4 Pro is rumored to have even stronger internal hardware, there is a possibility that heat management could become a problem during extended shoots. Nobody wants their camera slowing down, warning about temperature, or shutting off in the middle of an important recording. Durability is another area where people may need to be careful. Pocket cameras already contain delicate moving gimbal parts, but the larger camera module on the Pro version could make things even more fragile. A small drop or rough travel condition may become more risky than before. For travel vloggers, cyclists, or creators constantly carrying the camera outdoors, that could mean extra worry about protecting the device instead of simply using it freely. Still, despite all these concerns, the Pocket 4 Pro remains one of the most interesting portable cameras we have seen in years. DJI is clearly trying to push compact filmmaking into a more professional direction. The combination of optical zoom, improved sensors, and stabilization inside such a tiny body is genuinely impressive. But sometimes adding more power also adds more compromises. Higher prices, battery concerns, heating issues, and durability risks may end up becoming the trade-offs users have to accept. The Pocket 4 Pro could absolutely become an amazing tool for creators, but it may not be the perfect upgrade for everyone. In my opinion, the Pocket 4 Pro looks like one of the most ambitious compact cameras DJI has ever made. It feels less like a simple pocket camera upgrade and more like DJI trying to create a tiny professional filmmaking tool. The idea of having a larger sensor, dual camera zoom system, improved low-light performance, and strong stabilization inside such a small body is honestly very impressive. For travel creators, vloggers, and casual filmmakers, this could become one of the most convenient cameras ever released. What makes the Pocket 4 Pro interesting is not just the specs, but the balance it is trying to achieve. Most compact cameras sacrifice image quality for portability. Meanwhile, professional cameras offer amazing quality but are larger, heavier, and slower to set up. The Pocket 4 Pro seems to sit somewhere in the middle. You can pull it out quickly, start recording instantly, and still get footage that looks cinematic. That is a huge advantage in real-world use. The new zoom system is probably the biggest improvement. Previous pocket cameras were great for wide-angle shots, but zoom quality was never their strongest point. The addition of a dedicated telephoto lens changes that completely. Being able to jump to 3x zoom while still keeping strong image quality makes the camera much more flexible for storytelling, travel videos, street shots, and even portrait-style footage. But at the same time, I also think DJI may be pushing the Pocket series too far into premium territory. Once the price reaches around $1,000 or more, people naturally start comparing it with mirrorless cameras, action cameras, and flagship smartphones. That creates a difficult challenge because the Pocket 4 Pro is no longer just competing against older Pocket devices. It is competing against entire camera ecosystems. I am also slightly worried about battery life and overheating. Compact devices always struggle once they become too powerful. If the Pocket 4 Pro cannot maintain long recording times without getting hot, some creators may become frustrated quickly. A portable camera only works well when it feels reliable and stress-free. Still, despite those concerns, I think the Pocket 4 Pro has the potential to become one of the most popular creator cameras of the year. It may not replace professional cinema cameras, but that is not really the point. Its biggest strength is simplicity. A camera this small that can deliver stabilized cinematic footage with optical zoom is something many creators have wanted for years. If DJI manages to control the heat, battery, and pricing properly, the Pocket 4 Pro could easily become the new favorite camera for everyday creators.